Out here on the road, we live by the simple truth. No matter what comes our way, we keep moving. The nomadic life isn't always easy, but it's ours. It's freedom, adventure, and sometimes a whole lot of unexpected repairs in the strangest places. Every nomad knows the road isn't always smooth. Sometimes the real adventure isn't just the places we go, but the challenges we face along the way. We learn to get resourceful very quick when your home is also your vehicle. We've patched up our rigs with duct tape and determination. We've fixed transmissions in gas stations, parking lots, and sealed leaks with whatever we could find. Because when you're out here, you don't wait for a shop to open. You figure it out. That's the nomadic way. Resilience. We make it work. We help each other out. We push forward no matter what. Somehow, even the breakdowns become a part of the adventure. The world tells us to settle down, to play it safe, to stay in one place, but we choose the road. We choose the unknown. And yeah, sometimes that means fixing a busted axle in a national park or troubleshooting solar panels in a grocery store parking lot. But that's all part of it. Because for every challenge, there's a sunrise waiting at the next stop. For every repair, there's a road that keeps stretching ahead. And for every moment of struggle, there's a moment of pure, wild, undeniable freedom. This is the road, and we've chosen it. This is our way. And no matter what happens, we keep going because that's the nomadic way.